Red, itchy, watering eyes with a change in the season. It's not only irritation, it's allergy. Yes, you heard it right. I'm Dr. Munita from Agarwal's Eye Hospital, Whitefield branch. What is allergy? Allergy is a hypersensitivity reaction occurring to the body because of the exposure to the allergens. When it affects the eyes, it is called allergic conjunctivitis. Allergens can be indoor like ticks, mites, cockroaches, or outdoors like pollens and pollution. So what is the treatment? How we have to treat the allergy? Mild and the moderate form of allergy can be treated with lot of lubrication, cold compression and non-steroidal anti-allergics which helps to relieve the discomfort happening in the eyes. So when you put the lubricants, it will give a soothing effect into the eyes, plus it will wash away the allergens from the eye. When the itching is too much, you can consider taking systemic anti-allergics or you can apply ice packs. Just take an ice cube, wrap it in the kerchief, put it on the eyes clothes, or you can dip a towel in the cold water and put it on the eyes clothes. It gives comfort. If it is moderate to severe allergy which is not going with the simple lubricants and simple anti-allergic, in that condition we consider treating with the steroid drops. That is milder form of steroid drops in the form of Lotipred or fluoromethanol. But these drops has to be taken under the supervision of a doctor. Self-medication can cause long-standing cases, can have cataract or glaucoma, the pressure in the eye disease, which is always a vision-threatening condition. So we have to teach especially kids and the people who are more prone for this allergy to maintain the hygiene, keep washing their hands. Whenever there is a change in the weather, take care of the allergy part. Consult your allergist so that whatever allergy is there in the body can be taken care. When it is too hot, too cold, too dusty, too windy, wear a cooling goggles. Allergies cannot be avoided, but it can be controlled. Expert care makes a lot of difference in our lives. So we can book an appointment with Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital.